In this segment, we'll walk you through the connectors and show you how to cable up the system. In this demo, we use Vess A3340S. Let's take a look at the connectors on the back of the unit first. The power connector, 4 USB 3.0 ports and 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 gigabit network ports, DisplayPort, HDMI, VGA interface for monitors, and 3.5mm plus 1 SPDIF audio jack. There are also 2 USB 3.0 ports in front bezel to secure and protect the hard drive with the lock. Let's get started. First, we need to remove the front bezel. Connect power cable and press the power button in the front. Next, connect network cable to one of the gigabit network ports on the rear panel of Vess A3340S to gigabit network switch port. Connect VGA cable between Vess A3340S and monitor VGA port. Connect USB keyboard and USB mouse to Vess A3340S front USB ports. That's it. It's that easy. The system now is complete and waiting to configure. In our next video, we will cover initial setup and things needed before installing VMS video management software.